Young Trump, what it is, nigga?
What it do,
It's
nigga?
your boy Shorty B, man, you know what it is.
Oh, you know what it is,
Y'all
my
been hear a
nigga.
lot of niggas out here in these streets in this rap game talking about hustling. Ain't nobody hustle like you, my nigga.
Niggas phony, my nigga.
448, nigga. Tell me what it is.
Get it. Eastside.
Man, I'm out here hustling hard, I'm trying to get it straight. Like every day's my birthday, I'm seeing so much cake. 16 and 28, now you talking weight. Okay, nigga hit my phone, he said he want 448. Hey, 448, 448, 448, 448. When you throw it on your scale, it read 448. Yeah. 448, 448, 448, 448. Watching Vulture City, weighing up 448. Okay, I sell my 16s the same way I sell 28s. And when you multiply, they equal up 448. But weigh 'em up, but bust 'em down, bag 'em up, get the hustling out. Tick-tock, money's on the clock. I dump on fast and go back and cop. I'm talking 20-piece, chicken nugget, drop $100, you grab a half a dozen. Want a 10-piece, need 9 racks, so I bust them down all the way in sacks. Scene 13 off the whole L, so can you picture what I'm about to do to bail? Come real light and pillow soft, they touch down, so I'm getting them off. FedEx, 50-50, heads and tails like we flipping coins. Sold 3 cuties, 336, seen a stack 50, I'm hustling, bitch. Took a zip to smoke, got 3 left, I give you a play, you tryna grab the rest. My hustle game is immaculate. You ain't talking money, it's irrelevant. He come consistent, but I'm taking short, still making something. I don't tax him much. Got some white boys come from my town, I tax them hard when they come around. 14 for the whole pound, I'ma need that all the way around. It's the hustle. Man, I'm out here hustling hard, I'm trying to get it straight. Like every day's my birthday, I'm seeing so much cake. 16 and 28, now you talking weight. Okay, nigga hit my phone, he said he want 448. Hey, 448, 448, 448, 448. When you throw it on your scale, it read 448. Hey, 448, 448, 448, 448. Watching Vulture City, weighing up 448. QPs, half slabs, whole things, I'm going in. Failure is not an option. Young Trump play the game to win. I got 1.5, 24 zips, that's 21 and I'm seeing pimp. Man, these ones come from AZ, so I'ma need to see $100 each. Spend 20 a month on sandwich bags, nigga, I'm running through a whole lot of glad. My Boost Mobile go ring ring, all day Stewie Rock scene. All day I'm chasing cream, about 5 racks in my pair of jeans. Check that, off 1 bip, still gotta make 4 more trips. Increase the price when the drought came, stash a couple L's, stay ahead of the game. For them dead guys, I go Taliban. With that baby K, I'm going Pakistan. I'm Blake Griffin in the rap game, but I'm Kobe Bryant in the trap, man. It's my birthday when it come to cake, so I guess that every damn day. What you know about seeing 18 off 1 L and I'm paying 8? Bust them down, slow grind, I'm slim fast when it come to weight. I'm getting it in, eating shrimp steak, and I ain't selfish, nigga, my whole crew ate. I'm checking in like hotel rooms, Midwest Connect, man, it's coming soon, it's the hustler. Man, I'm out here hustling hard, I'm trying to get it straight. Like every day's my birthday, I'm seeing so much cake. 16 and 28, now you talking weight. Okay, nigga hit my phone, he said he want 448. Hey, 448, 448, 448, 448. When you throw it on your scale, it read 448. Hey, 448, 448, 448, 448. Watching Vulture City, weighing up 448.